My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about a Vechain coin. What's the price change goes in the Vechain? What's the currently price predictions of Vechain coin? And we are also talking about previous last yesterday crash occurred in the Vechain coin, and what's the next move of Vechain coin. In this video I will show you, friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates, friends. Now let's start the video, friends. If you look the price of the Vechain coin at this time, so the current price of Vechain coin is about 0.173595 USD dollar is the current price, and something like that. If you look the change occur in a Vechain coin, so the change is about positive 1.78% change occur in the last 1 hour, and same like that the last 1 day change is a negative, last 1 week change is also a negative, friends. That's mean that the continuously last 1 week only and only falls occur in the Vechain coin, crashed occur in the Vechain coin, and the previous last 1 week day by day, hour by hour falls down. But now at this time the current situation and the last 1 hour, now they take a jump. So let's see how they take a jump at this time, friends. As you can see here, oh my god, absolutely like this kind of jump, but I hope this jump continue more in the future, friends. Now if we talk about the last 1 day price change occur in the Vechain coin, so as I told you, a very bad crash occurred yesterday in all cryptocurrencies. Just you can see a negative 4.54% crash occurs in the Vechain coin and the last 1 day, friends. Same like that if we look the high price, so the high price is about 0.190403 USD dollar, and same like that here you can see here the current price of the Vechain coin is about 0.173595. Here is 19 and here is a 17, so approximately a 2% change occur in a Vechain coin price in the last 1 day, friends. So absolutely it's a very bad crash occurs in the Vechain coin yesterday. But as you can see here, the current situation of Vechain coin goes better at this time, friends. So maybe it goes up in the future and the change become positive. We always think positive, friends. Maybe it goes upward, maybe they fast down. It's also be occurs in a Vechain coin. As you can see here, also they fast down occurs, so a lot of chances at this time to take a jump, friends. So my suggestion for all of you, if you are a holder, so please wait for it. Now they are also in the jumping mood, so maybe this jump continue more time, friends. What's your opinion about Vechain coin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.